Hi, everybody. I'm going to talk about the career options for commerce students. A lot of career opportunities are there for commerce students. And with that, you can also reach a tremendous career and you can earn a lot beyond your imagination. So let me take you through the presentation where I will explain you each and every possibility that you can pursue, which you have to decide based on your abilities and strengths. So you have to decide what you want to be your destination, and based on that, you can choose your career path. So I'm going to tell you about all the possible career options for commerce students. Let us go through the session. Okay, so you all know I'm Dr. Ushaa Eswaran and my company name is Seek. So with increasing business complexities and job market dynamics, a single qualification may not give you the required knowledge for professional competencies. We cannot stop with our UG, and we may have to pursue our PG also to attain certain levels. So here, this makes a case for acquiring additional qualifications not only as a value add to one's career graph, but also to get an edge over others in the competitive career world. So this session aims to highlight some common career and qualification combinations for commerce related courses, which over a period of time have gained a lot of popularity. So to start with, I will talk about the BA, BCom or BSc, and the next stage is LLB and LLM. That is a typical route for becoming a lawyer. How many of you have a passion to become a lawyer? This is a typical route for becoming a lawyer, and this can be done in two ways. After graduation or after +2 integrated law course, that is BA, LLB, and LLM adds value as a master of a specific area of practice. Then coming to a typical route for becoming a chartered accountant or a company secretary, and so on. So this is a typical route for professions like chartered accountant, company secretary, cost accountant, or chartered financial analyst. After graduation, students can get themselves admitted directly to the intermediate level of these courses. These candidates enjoy a statutory status in the corporate since all of these qualifications are under a statutory law. Then coming to becoming a tax consultant. This is a typical route for becoming a tax consultant, tax practitioners. Candidates can work for tax consultant or have their separate practice. Now let us see what you will do or what you will become when you do a BCom and an MBA, finance, HR, or marketing. This is yet another route for entering the corporate for managerial positions. So here the candidates get opportunities in retail, FMCG, banking, financial services, insurance, BPO, KPO, etc. And the next one is BCom and mass communication and journalism. This is an interesting career choice made by candidates having a passion for communication, journalism, writing, editing, technical writing, blogging, etc. Highly challenging and demanding career. Then BCom and stock market courses such as NCFM and NISM. Job opportunities for stock market or share transfer agents, brokers, custodians, depositories, depository participants, portfolio management consultants, etc., are on the rise, and they provide excellent and challenging work environment. Courses like NSC, NISM are becoming very popular. Then let us see the typical route for becoming a professor and lecturer in management colleges and university colleges. So this is the typical route, and young candidates can also look at this career choice. That is BA or BCom, MA, MCom or MBA, and then write the NET exam and then do the PhD. Then coming to the BE and project management. This is a fast growing and immensely required combinations in sectors like IT, infrastructure, and engineering. And today, the project execution is not a problem area, but project management is an area which lack of skilled workforce. Engineers having project management skills can climb the management or managerial ladder in short time. And education or training in project management is considered very essential today. Then comes the professional courses like CA, CS, CWA, MBA, and CFA. This is the most known and famous career combinations in the commerce stream. Very well accepted by the industry and most liked by student fraternity of professional courses. Handling accounting, taxation, along with secretarial and compliances is a Herculean task by itself. And CA and CS provides excellent career stability due to its scope and exposure levels. These two can be studied simultaneously. However, acquiring them in the least possible time requires perseverance, efforts, and determination. And then comes CA or CWA and MBA finance. Many CA or CWA candidates pursue MBA finance. Here it is important to know that MBA is complementary to CA and it is not a substitute. And also it is recommended that a student first completes CA or CWA and then joins a full-time MBA. It is difficult to manage both simultaneously due to the method of studying, time, and efforts required for both the courses are vastly different. A working professional can do a part-time MBA or an executive MBA. In the industry, this is very well-known combination, and it gives an edge to a CA or CWA having a management degree. Then comes CA and CWA. They are the hardcore accounting and costing qualifications and both complement each other. Costing and accounting and taxation being the backbone of business processes, and their combination goes well accepted in the industry, and such candidates are technical experts. These qualifications by many are acquired together and are relevantly correlated to each other. Then the CA, CS, CWA. This is regarded as the triple crown. Acquiring CA, CS, and CWA qualifications is a feat in itself and gives a holistic view of the world of accounting, finance, and costing and company law. Candidates with all these three degrees are likely to be placed in high-profile jobs and make a good career in consultancy too. These three can also be done simultaneously. However, acquiring these require immense perseverance, effort, and determination. Then CA and CFA. Though both these do not complement each other, CFA is about financial analysis and CA is about accounting and taxation. CFA, if done from CFA USA, is given very high regard in the industry. And CA and CFA will be a good combination as far as job profile is concerned and provides immense scope in finance and accounting field, even for those seeking to pursue their careers abroad. Then CA and CPA. CA and CPA is a fantastic combination giving scope in accounting and taxation in domestic as well as international job market. CA and CPA candidates get placed in high profile assignments in India and abroad due to their exposure to domestic and international accounting practices. Then comes the CS and LLB. Though a CS general is taught general laws, the CS is majorly an expert in secretarial practice and company law. CS and LLB is a well-received combination in the industry and provides good scope for candidates to work in secretarial as well as legal departments of the organization. Such candidates with an experience can lead or can head secretary departments as company secretary as well as a legal department as legal head. However, the work relates to secretarial functions and compliances. Then it's a CS and MBA Finance. The MBA Finance, if pursued by the CS, gives the candidate the scope to diversify into finance function. And here too, the caution is provided not to pursue both courses simultaneously due to reasons indicated above. Here too, the major work may relate to secretarial and compliances and less of finance. However, it may be reverse in some cases. Then CS and CWA. The CWA provides a diverse scope of CS through exposure to costing and indirect taxation. Here too, the major work may be of secretarial and compliances and less of costing. However, it may be reverse in some cases. These courses can be pursued simultaneously. LLB is recommended here for greater stability and exposure. Then MBA Finance and SAP or Oracle, ERP and Tally courses. Apart from the above said professional courses, MBAs can pursue short or medium term but industry relevant and effective certifications which can add value to your resume. And SAP or Oracle ERP or Tally certifications along with MBA Finance are done by many and are all well accepted by the IT and manufacturing sector. Then comes the MBA HR and Diploma in Labor Laws, Industrial Relations or LLB, Industrial Psychology. MBA HR and a study of labor and industrial laws or LLB is a good combination beneficial for manufacturing sector and others which are labor driven. Studying industrial psychology also may help MBA HR to better manage workforce and their issues. Then MBA Marketing or Operations and Diploma in SCM Logistics. Studying supply chain management, logistics are good value add to MBA marketing candidates since it helps them better manage customers and vendors. Then MBA in any field and project management and Six Sigma certification. MBA along with project management skills is the need of the hour. And though MBA are taught project management, a certification in project management adds good value to their resume, giving them recognition. And Six Sigma certification also helps in diversifying in change management, conflict management, process improvements, etc. And I hope I've covered all possible things that are for the commerce students and also who would like to take up the management studies. Stay blessed and look forward for other career guidance sessions. Thank you. Thank you so much.